In this AlignMix video, we will show how to create territories based off of population data. First, we need to import the population data. We can do so by going to File, Import, Import Third-Party Data, we're going to click this plus box right here, which will drop down all of the available demographic data. So we're going to go ahead and click this one, the current population. Click Next. From there, we want to make sure that the population will show as a label for each territory that we create. We can do that by going to Configure Layers. We're going to click this green plus sign right here, and you can see it already populated. Took from this list the territory data, and it presented over here. So that's the only data that we have right now. I'm going to click OK. Now we're going to use two different tools in order to create territories on this blank map. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so we can see. First one I'm going to use is the lasso zip code tool. So I'm just going to drag and select an area to be my territory. You can see this is the information that is listed within that lassoed territory. So this is the population and this is how many zip codes. So I'm going to click Next and create a new territory. And you can see this is territory 1, and that's the population within that territory that I created. Another tool that we can use is the touch align, in which you simply drag and it changes and updates in real time. And that's how you create territories based off of population data.